Hello everyone, the Risk Driver Broker, the broker who always pays. Today, traditionally, we are talking about the prospects of the market for the coming week. Don't forget to follow us, see the links under this video, and receive bonuses up to 100% on your deposit. This market overview is not investment advice. One should do your own research before making a decision. So, the previous week was quiet in terms of the publication of economic data, but this week promises to be more eventful. We will be especially interested in inflation published this week, and let's figure it out step by step. And you, friends, don't forget to write your thoughts and opinions under this video. Okay, let's start with the first currency pair, Euro-USD dollar. The previous long idea is still relevant. Further growth is expected here. The pause at current levels was quite predictable, and now after the pause, we can expect further growth. Buying from current levels is relevant, one can actively look for entry points for long, and the growth target is located near the level of 1.09 exactly. British pound. The British pound also paints a long picture. In the short term, the buy priority is even more stronger here. It is important to look for a long entry points at breakout of intraday resistance levels. I mean current highs near the level of 1.26 and 57. We expect growth to 1.27 exactly, and closer to the level of 1.28 exactly, where the nearest resistance is located. In the long term, it will also be possible to consider going long towards the level of 1.29 exactly. Swiss franc, despite the fact that the franc is now considered one of the weakest currencies among the majors, a fall is also expected here, which most likely be within the framework of the general weakening of the USD dollar. It should be noted that here most likely the rate of strengthening against the US dollar will be at the slowest pace, but we can expect to fall to the levels of 0.86 and 7, and the second target is 0.86 exactly. Australian dollar. We continue to hold medium terms long positions for this currency pair. The price is trying to fix above balance, which will most likely lead to an increase to the upper limit of this balance, namely the level of 0.66 exactly. New Zealand dollar, absolutely the same story. The strengthening against the US dollar here even looks more confident. Short-term long trades are much more relevant than the medium term, and there is a very good accumulated base of sellers, which in turn will allow growth towards the level of 0.62 exactly. Canadian dollar, previous targets for this instrument have been fully met, and at the beginning of this week we are taking a pause in this case of this instrument, and most likely the price will be pushed towards this support level near the level 1.34 and 36 for further fall as a part of the general weakening of the USD dollar. Japanese yen, here the price began to push towards the level of 150, which is what we expect, and most likely the currency pair will trade near this level. There are no specific medium-term or short-term ideas here, but it should be noted that the Japanese regulator may take any actions around this level. That's why one should to be careful when trading, especially intraday trading. And metals. Short-term ideas were also implemented in metals. Here gold is only considered in the medium term, and most likely it is growth towards the level of 20 and 70. But we need to consider potential fall to the level 2000 exactly before this growth. And silver performs gold, as you see. The first target at near the level of 22 and 73 has already been fixed, and an approach to the level of 23.32 is expected in the near future, where located the nearest resistance area. So, friends, this is the market overview for this week. Thanks for your likes, comments, and watching. Share your ideas. Stay with us, follow us, and remember, Strifa always pays.